I'm Mrs. Langhorse, and welcome to Incredible Edibles. And with this class, with this video, I am going to show you how to make Ruffles Krispy Treats. It's a super easy recipe that you can do with your parents or with an adult because you will use your stove. You can also use the microwave if you don't want to use the stove. Not only in Incredible Edibles will I be teaching how to make easy kid-friendly recipes, but also I will talk about the 5 health groups that are very important to live a healthy lifestyle. So to begin with the crispy Ruffles Treats, you're going to need 1/4 cup of butter, and I use stick butter, and 1/4 cup of butter is also known as 4 teaspoons of butter. You put it in your pan, turn it on, and then you will need to melt the butter. And then the next thing that you will need is a bag of mini marshmallows. This bag right here is 10 ounces, and that is what you need, is 10 ounces of marshmallows. You're going to take that and put it inside your butter. Make sure that you cook this on a low heat so that it doesn't stick or burn. And you are going to melt the butter and the marshmallows together. While the marshmallows and the butter are melting on a lower heat, you are going to take a 8x8 pan, and then you will need to spray it inside so that it doesn't stick. The Krispy Treats do not stick inside. Okay? After you do that, while you're waiting for the marshmallows and the butter to melt, you are going to take a bag of Ruffles chips. This is a 9-ounce bag, and you need 6 cups of crunched Ruffles. So I discovered that this 9-ounce bag, after you crunch them, is 6 ounces. So I dump the potato chips in a bag, and then I just take it and smash them down. And you can do it just with your hand. It's fine. And then you take it and measure into a bowl off to the side. 6 cups. Okay, and there's 6 cups in this bowl of crushed Ruffles chips. Then I go back to stirring my marshmallows, making sure that they are not sticking. And with my marshmallows, I have my butter. And if you turn it on too high, the marshmallows will burn. So you want to keep this as a low heat just to prevent from burning. Also constantly stirring so it's not sticking on the bottom of your pan. Okay, once your marshmallows are all done and they have melted completely with your butter, you're gonna come over to the bowl of your Ruffles. You're gonna pour the mixture inside in this bowl. Be careful, this is hot. The marshmallows and the butter, it is hot. And then you're gonna take a spoon and stir this. Just stir it around until everything is mixed up. Get all the sides and everything else. Make sure all the Ruffles are coated with your marshmallow cream. Okay, after everything is mixed up, you're going to take your pan that you already sprayed and you're going to pour that in there. And then you're going to pack it down. And kind of pack it down in there so it forms it nice and tight. And then the last thing you need to do is you need 4 ounces or a fourth a cup of melted chocolate. I put it in the microwave with a little butter so that it melts. Turn it on. And if you cook the chocolate too long, it will burn too. And I used milk chocolate chips. Okay, make sure that your chocolate chips are all melted with your butter. And the reason why I added the butter is just because it helps melt the chocolate a little bit easier. I mix it to make sure all my chocolate chips are melted. Then I take it and I drizzle it over the top of my Krispy Treats. And kind of just spread it over the top of it to create another layer for your Ruffles. And then last but not least, I take a little sea salt and I grind it on top. And voila, and it says to wait about 30 minutes to let it cool and settle. You can put it in the refrigerator to make it chill and settle a little quicker. And then you can cut and serve. I hope you enjoyed this Ruffles Krispy Treat recipe. It's very easy. Attached, I will have the recipe, and I also will have a health daily log that you can do just to kind of chart and record what you eat daily, how many hours of sleep, and then make sure that your life is balanced. So I hope you enjoyed this, and have a good day. Bye.